Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. Today we're in Parkhurst looking at designer colors placed onto a varnish door. The varnish doors, before we start, look similar to this. As you can see, all the gaps and cracks, we need to close up. The carpentry defects, really bad maintenance over the years has produced a shoddy undulating surface. So the first we do is we strip the doors back down to a smooth surface, which is solid, and this is a solid foundation on which to base our repair. We then start with gap filling components, from paintable silicone to sandable fillers like polyfiller, for example, and this will close up the cracks and gaps. We then put a sealer on the door, which we manufacture ourselves. You can purchase it from us. Please follow the link in the video below. And now we've got a solid surface on which to base our repair. The bottom of the door and the top of the door needs to be waterproofed, as this is when the seasonal relative humidity moisture gets into the wood. As people with wooden windows would know, in winter months in Johannesburg, how wind is howling through the windows because the window shrinks, the wood shrinks, and in summer it expands and they're all tight and you can't open and close because they're binding. So we then have to make a primer onto the varnish. This is a universal undercoat. We do 2 coats, sandpapering between each coat, and it has to cover 100%. Then we take a good quality white enamel and we do 2 coats of white enamel, because these hairdresser colors are transparent. The pigments are transparent, and you can do 20 coats and it still won't cover if your base coat isn't perfect and flawless. Once the white has been achieved to perfection, sandpapering between coats, this is now the 3rd coat to produce this kind of finish. The interior of these doors, we've gone with a white finish. As you can see, it's a matte, or what we call suede. Just getting the shine there with the light coming through the door, through the window rather. And as you can see, that gives you a beautiful finish on the inside to match the interior decor, like for instance the louvers. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.